In the main video, I did not talk about one of the prizes, the Nobel Prize for Economics. Well, the truth is, there is no Nobel Prize for Economics. This is the English translation of Nobel's will, and not in one place was economics mentioned. A lot of people have issue with the Nobel Prize for the fact that the awards are restricted only to these ones and not fields like mathematics, economics, and computer science, fields that showed their importance several decades after Nobel's death. Some fields like mathematics and computer science fixed this travesty by starting their own awards, the Fields Medal and the Nobel Prize for Mathematics and the Turing Award for Computer Science, all three being topics for future videos. Since these awards are one of a kind, these prizes are also referred to as the Nobel Prize, yes, in air quotes, of mathematics and computer science. This leaves us with economics until 1969 when the Sveriges Riksbank, the Swedish National Bank, decided to do what the Nobel Foundation didn't and recognized economists. But since the Nobel Foundation runs on Nobel's money and Nobel's rules, they refused to include economics until the bank announced on the 300th anniversary that they would cover all administrative costs and the final prize money for this new Nobel Prize. However, the Nobel family did not approve of the bank for using their family name for what was basically PR for the bank, and therefore did not allow this prize to be called a Nobel Prize for Economic Sciences. Therefore, this new prize that had absolutely nothing related to Nobel was named the Nobel Memorial Prize in Economic Sciences, or sometimes the Special Prize in Economics, or sometimes even the Sveriges Riksbank Prize in Economic Sciences in memory of Alfred Nobel. And while this isn't technically a proper Nobel Prize, it follows the exact same procedure as the other prizes, with the parent institution being the Royal Swedish Academy of Sciences with its own Nobel Committee along with the ones for physics and chemistry. The laureates are even announced and awarded at the same time as other Nobel Prizes. In other words, it's a Nobel Prize that really isn't a Nobel Prize but works exactly like a Nobel Prize behind the curtains. All said and done, Sveriges Riksbank Prize in Economic Sciences in memory of Alfred Nobel doesn't sound nearly as catchy as the Nobel Prize in Economics, so guess which one stuck. If you haven't watched the main video, you should check it out now, because otherwise this video will make no sense. And also, I will be making videos on the Fields Medal, the Nobel Prize, and the Turing Award sometime in the future, so make sure you subscribe so you don't miss it when that happens.